Join me as I dive into the crazy story of a nurse suing parents over a shocking paternity deception. Can I break it down and figure out what really went down? This case is one of those jaw-dropping stories that makes you wonder how something like this could even happen. A nurse, Emily Carter, finds herself at the center of a paternity deception lawsuit against the parents of one of her patients, Robert "Bobby" Langford. The story begins with a seemingly ordinary situation, a family with a young child, Bobby, and a dedicated nurse who became deeply entangled in their lives. But beneath the surface, a complex web of deceit and betrayal unfolded. The central issue here revolves around paternity deception, a situation where one or both parents mislead others about the child's biological father. This can have profound emotional and psychological impacts on all parties involved, especially the child. The deception can lead to a myriad of problems, including legal battles over custody and child support, emotional distress for the child and the nurse who got caught in the middle, and a host of ethical dilemmas. Let's take a closer look at the people involved. Emily Carter, a 38-year-old registered nurse, provided daily care for Bobby from his birth in 2017 until 2022, developing a deep emotional bond. The parents, Michael Langford, 42, and Jennifer Langford, 39, allegedly deceived Emily by claiming Michael was Bobby's biological father. Emily became like an aunt to Bobby, even contributing $15,000 to his medical bills. The deception unraveled on December 5, 2023, when Emily discovered a hidden DNA paternity test report during a routine visit, revealing Michael was not the father with 0% probability. The biological father was identified as Jennifer's former partner, Derek Hayes, 41, with whom she had a brief affair in October 2016. This was confirmed by a 99.99% match via an ancestry DNA test. Emily's 65-page complaint, filed on January 22, 2024, in Clark County District Court, Las Vegas, accuses the Langfords of fraud, intentional infliction of emotional distress, and negligent misrepresentation. She is seeking $3.2 million in damages, $1 million for emotional trauma, $1.5 million punitive, and $700,000 for lost wages, citing Nevada's paternity fraud statutes. The background reveals Emily started nursing for Bobby after his birth at Sunrise Hospital, where he was diagnosed with hypoplastic left heart syndrome. The family initially portrayed a perfect picture. Jennifer confessed to Michael post-DNA test, leading to their separation on November 10, 2023. Michael supports the suit, filing for divorce and custody modification on January 30, 2024. Key events include the affair during Jennifer's 8th week of pregnancy, the lie maintained for 6.5 years, and Emily confronting Jennifer on December 6, 2023. A temporary restraining order was granted on February 14, 2024, barring contact. The case gained media attention via a CLOS TV interview on February 20, 2024, sparking debate on paternity fraud prevalence. Studies by the American Association of Blood Banks show 27.8% of tests exclude the alleged father, and UK estimates suggest 2 to 6% of fathers are raising non-biological kids. The impacts are profound. Bobby faces an identity crisis and is in counseling. Emily's career is halted, with 6 months off work and $45,000 in lost income, and legal fees exceeding $100,000. A hearing is scheduled for May 15, 2024, with settlement talks ongoing. This case underscores ethical dilemmas in healthcare family dynamics, trust erosion, and rising DNA testing. In summary, the case of the nurse suing parents over a shocking paternity deception is a complex and emotionally charged issue. It raises important questions about trust, identity, and the consequences of deception. If you've got thoughts on this wild case, drop them in the comments below. Also, check out our other video where we explore another side of paternity issues that will blow your mind.